Your fairy godmother here today to watch another production of the Sport of the Arts. Joining me is your fairy guard daughter. Alright, today we are going to be looking at the Morris Hills Winter Guard show from 2019. I believe it would be called Bird Set Free.
Alright, let's do it.
Okay, so it's not the Sia version.
Ooh, that dancer in the middle.
So she's the bird in the cage.
She's a really good dancer. They're really in time.
Oh, I like how they went to the ground on the lyrics, Wind Me Down.
Very musical. I like how the person in the cage is doing the same thing as everybody else.
Ooh, nice saber toss.
Ooh, fancy.
I like how she's in a different color. Oh, go Saberline.
Yeah.
Donkey kick in the back line.
But can we talk about how good their prop is?
Yeah, the cage is excellent. I love the representation. And she's acting out the emotions of the music. Okay, so the cage is moving and it's kind of broke open. We see the bird. So she's taking the risk out of the cage. Ooh, you go, girl! Let's take a moment to appreciate that amazing solo 45 toss. Beautiful 45. Oh,
Ooh,
flags.
So good, but one person's just a little off. But it's good. It's still good. They're really clean.
Very expressive. Oh, Sabers, killing it today. Oh, you go, girl bird. I am so impressed with this back switch leap. Oh, yeah. Okay, so she's gonna... Oh, look at this.
Oh,
very nice.
Get it, Saberline.
Wow. I'm excited to see them on rifle. Oh, here we go.
45.
Flags.
Ooh, strong on rifle.
Oh, wow.
I like how they're getting some body in there.
Oh, ripple toss. Oh, as she comes forward, the bird. I just love these. Oh, yes.
Her dancing skills are incredible.
What is that? Wow! Oh! Ending in an illusion and then the splits.
She's so good.
You go, girl. We all dream of having dancers like you in our guard. Oh, rifles. Flags work on the release of that toss. Oh, rifles!
Oh, beautiful timing.
Nothing better than an ensemble rifle toss. Oh, dancer bird. I love the different catches they do with their rifles.
It shows a lot of versatility.
Oh, great trick! That was so well done with the flags and the rifles. This is a deep part.
Good transition, though.
Oh, exchange tosses. Yes, and a ripple.
They're really
Ooh.
getting into the vocabulary.
Oh my gosh, what is this? Epic! I love it! Oh, with the ribbon flags, scarves.
Oh, beautiful.
We're gonna have to watch that part again. flags are pretty.
Ooh,
I feel a flag feature coming.
they're really getting that color out there.
Ooh, she can spin and dance. Oh, nice. Very nice.
Oh, beautiful.
Flag hit. I sing for love. Oh, nice.
Ooh, split work.
Oh, very nice. The flags work for that. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. I like how they're all exiting toward the corner.
Whoever designed this show is really good at transitions.
Oh, she throws petals in the air and then the cages are covered. Ooh!
Wow. Really powerful.
Well done, Morris Hills.
I love it. It's great.
Take the time to YouTube Morris Hills Winter Guard 2019 and watch this beautiful performance in full. If you would like your Fairy Guard mother to watch and show your Winter Guard, subscribe to my channel, like the video below, and comment below with the link to your favorite show. Or you can email me at yourfairyguardmother@gmail.com.